Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Pydio Cells on Ubuntu 22.04. Before installation, ensure that your system is running the latest software packages. Pydio uses MariaDB to store its data, so you must install the MariaDB database server on your server. You can install it by running the following command. After installing the MariaDB server, you can secure the MariaDB installation using the following command. Now, this script will set a root password, remove anonymous users, disallow root login remotely, and remove the test database. Next, log in to MariaDB as a root user. Once you are logged in, create a database and a user with the following command. Next, grant all the privileges to Pydio with the following command. Then, flush the privileges and exit from the MariaDB shell with the following command. The Pydio package is not available by default in the Ubuntu 22.04 repository. You will need to download it from its official website. You can download the latest version of Pydio Cells using the following commands. Once the download is completed, set the proper permissions on the downloaded file and bind it to the HTTP port using the following command. Next, verify the Pydio Cells version using the following command. You will get the following output. Next, configure the Pydio Cells using the following command. You will be asked to select the different installation types. Select the browser-based installation and press the Enter key. Once the Pydio Cells are configured, you will get the following output. At this point, Pydio Cells is installed and configured. You can now access the Pydio Cells using the following URL. You should see the Pydio Cells license agreement page. Agree to the license agreement and click on the next button. You should see the database configuration page. Provide your database configuration and click on the next button. You should see the admin user creation page. Provide your admin username and password, then click the next button. Now, click on the Install Now button. You should see the Pydio Cells login page. Provide your admin username and password, then click the Enter button. You should see the Pydio dashboard. Next, you will need to create a systemd service file to manage the Pydio service. First, press Ctrl and C to stop the Pydio service, then create a systemd service file using the following command. Then, add the following lines. After that, save and close the file. Next, reload the systemd daemon to apply the changes. Continue by starting and enabling the Pydio service with the following command. You can also check the Pydio status using the following command. You can now access the Pydio Cells dashboard. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and configured Pydio Cells on Ubuntu 22.04.